Welcome to the BC Forest Safety Council's Trainer Training course. The course is intended to develop forestry industry trainers in falling, logging, road building, and other forestry jobs. The purpose of this small video is to talk a bit about learning, teaching, coaching, and mentoring, so that you'll be more aware of the knowledge, skills, and experience that you already have and bring to the course. There are also a couple of pre-course activities that we will ask you to complete before the course. These will be explained at the end of the video. Let's start with a question. When do we start to learn? Well, the short answer is before we are born. Research shows that learning starts before birth. The point we're making here is that learning is a natural thing. We all do it at every age. As we grow, we learn each and every minute of the day. Learning is sometimes fun, sometimes hard, and sometimes it's just plain frustrating. But doesn't it feel good when we master something new? We learn by ourselves, and we learn in groups. This image shows some of the ways that we learn. As we start school, learning becomes more formal. Sometimes we forget that we are natural learners. Learning can seem complicated and hard, especially when it comes to assessment and evaluation. The thing to remember, though, is by the time we are adults, we are pros at learning. We have done it for years, and by and large, we're good at it. Learners learn from teachers, coaches, and mentors. When do we start to teach? When do we start to coach? When do we start to mentor? Teaching is a natural activity. We teach, coach, and mentor because it's part of who we are. It's natural. Often we don't even think about what we're doing. We naturally want to know about things. It's fun and rewarding in and of itself. Now think of your work in forestry. Don't you learn every day? Don't you also teach or coach or mentor each and every day? It's an essential part of our work lives too. It's natural. In this course, we will focus on some of the theories behind good teaching. We will discuss strategies for effective teaching and effective learning. You'll be able to use what you learn to improve what you already do every day, on the job and at home. Remember that you've been both a learner and a teacher for a long time, and you bring to the course a wealth of knowledge, experience, skill, and enthusiasm. There's a couple of pre-course activities that we'd like you to do before you attend. The first one is, as you can see on the slide, make a list of when you have acted as a teacher, a coach, or a mentor in either your work or personal life. What did you do? What were the results? And the second activity is to choose one case from the 9 shown on the following slides and make notes on the following. What are the learning issues or gaps that you see? And what should be done, in your opinion, to correct them? Bring this work to class and be prepared to discuss in small groups. Here's an example. Scenario 1, you see in the picture, a faller trainee has been having trouble consistently cleaning out undercuts. As well, on sloping ground, the trainee is inconsistent in clearing escape routes. So what do you see are the learning gaps? And what would you say to that trainee? How would you coach him? Scenario 2, on a block walk, when asked to comment on trees with the features shown in the photos, the trainee does not say anything about danger tree indicators. Include all important points you may want to address with the trainee. So there's a couple of examples. And on the following slides, you'll see the other scenarios that you can choose from for this assignment. You can find these scenarios in the online learning center. Have fun with the assignments, and we look forward to seeing you soon.